In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change table size in Power BI. By the end, you'll know how to resize a table visually and refine its exact look using formatting controls, so your report is both readable and polished. Start by opening the Power BI desktop app on your computer and head into one of your reports. On the right side, you'll see the visualizations area. Add a table visual to your canvas. Then, in that same right panel, select the fields you want to show. As soon as you add your data, the table will populate. The quickest way to change the table's size is directly on the canvas. Click the table to select it, then drag the edges or corners to make it larger or smaller. As you drag, the visual will resize in real time. This affects how many rows and columns are visible before you need to scroll, and it's perfect for rough sizing while you arrange your layout. If you want a more precise, polished result, you'll fine-tune the visual's formatting. With the table still selected, go to the Format Visual panel on the right. This is where you control how dense or spacious your table feels, which can impact how big it needs to be. Open the Grid section. Here you can adjust the width of the horizontal and vertical grid lines. Thicker grid lines make each cell feel more separated, which can visually change how compact your table appears. If your table looks cramped, slightly increasing grid line width can improve readability. If it feels heavy, reducing the width keeps it clean. Next, select Border. You can change the border width around the table. A thicker border can help the visual stand out, while a thinner one blends it into the page. Keep in mind that heavier borders can make the table seem larger, so choose a width that matches your design. Back under Grid, open Options. This is where you adjust row padding and the global font size. Increasing row padding gives each row more breathing room, which may require a taller visual to see the same number of rows. Global font size affects the text throughout the table. Larger fonts improve clarity on dashboards viewed from a distance, but they also require more space, so balance readability with available canvas area. Finally, go to Column Headers and adjust the header font size. Bigger headers improve hierarchy and make columns easier to scan. Smaller headers save space and allow more data to fit. That's it. Resize by dragging for quick adjustments, then refine with grid lines, borders, row padding, and fonts for a table that fits perfectly and reads beautifully. Save your report when you're happy with the result.